Okay, so today we will discuss the fusion solar solution in the country. So what else has it already been rolled out, and to what extent has it been?
Yes, for the digital power solution, this solution has been there for the past 10 years. We have already deployed, let's say for last year, we did around 51 gigawatts in terms of supply globally. But if you're looking into respective area like Sub-Saharan Africa, we've already deployed more than 1.2 gigawatts. So this typically give us 45% market share. But if you are also looking at, let's say Kenya, since we're in Kenya, we have close to around 65% market share. And this is typically being attributed from the commercial industrial projects that have already been deployed. And also we are boosting to have huge demand, or we have the 55 megawatts that was deployed by Garissa.
Alright, so the move to adopt solar for power in economies is seen within the broader context of embracing renewable energy. So how important is renewable energy for the company?
Renewable is very important for us because the bubble is there. What typically people are now looking at is the carbon neutrality. So if you are also looking at Kenya as an example of the context, you can see the president has already committed during the Glasgow event, whereby the government is very keen on pushing renewable energy to at least to achieve 100% of it entirely, maybe by 2030. But now as a company, we also providing a solution that will also support this particular move, because we are energy company and we have solutions that will typically support this agenda.
Alright, so finally, Kenya's desire to scale up renewable energy. So how big is the opportunity for solar in Kenya?
We see a huge opportunity for solar space, because if you're keenly looking at the grid, yes, the grid is a fantastic one, but also if you're looking at the ideal scenario, like, it's a constitutional right for Kenyan citizens to have power. So we are developing, or we have a solutions that will support this, because this is typically looking at a decentralized system. And a decentralized system is more or less focusing on the microgrids, mini grids, whereby you go to the remote areas of the country and provide an energy storage solution that will support the impact in terms of the livelihoods of the residents. So we foresee that that will be a key factor. But also, if you're looking at most of the companies, like the manufacturing side, so essentially most of the manufacturers are keen on how to offset some of the cost that they have, because we have grid-tied inverters that can easily support you, but of course you have to have a solar panel, and then if you have a solar panel, then you have our Huawei inverters. You can essentially offset maybe 30 to 35% of your electricity costs. But that one doesn't stop. So what's typically what we are seeing is that we are also promoting a 24 hours economy, whereby we have a solution for energy storage systems, which is typically around 200 kilowatt hours. So if you're looking at during the day, essentially we are using the sun to generate. But what happens during the evening? So the sun is not there. So we have the energy storage systems. So these energy solar systems will be effective in terms of at least giving, we normally call it an autonomy hour, maybe 2 or 3 hours for the electricity to move. But also, if you're also looking at some of the sensitive manufacturing sites within Kenya, so essentially, instead of you using a diesel generator, you can use an energy storage system. So energy storage system is a battery with a PCS, and of course, this will give you sort of a cost effect of 50%, which is key for sustainability for the business.
Thank you.
Some of the projects you're going to have in the short term?
Under Huawei, we collaborate or work with partners within the space. So we boast to have a significant partners within the industry. So essentially, from this launch, we believe that most of the manufacturers will be gearing towards energy storage system, because energy storage system is now the next big thing, and big thing means there's a considerable savings that they're going to get when they're using energy storage systems.